I'm back with another video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to me. Come join the Humble Gang. Right now, in this beautiful, fabulous Sunday, I want to say the second day of May. Yeah, May 2nd. This is a really nice Saturday. I'm out here in Jacksonville, North Carolina with my homeboy Steven. He out there, you know, he on the skateboard right now. Y'all about to go meet him in a second. But yeah, today's a vlog. We might be doing a little bit of bowling. Yeah, a little bit of bowling, skateboarding today. But yeah, please hit that like button, subscribe to me, come join the Humble Nation. And I'll be back soon. So here go my boy Steven, aka Rico. That's what I call him. Hey Steven. Steven. Say what's up to my subscribers. Yeah, y'all see him, he's skating right now. He can't say much. But yeah, we on some gnarly shit out here, dude. Alright, this guy right here, he's going to bonus 180. Am I right? He's going to bonus 180. And he's going to do it with this one. This is a blueprint. This guy right here, he's going to do it. This guy right here, he's about to do it. This guy right here, he about to do it. Bonus 180, he about to do it. Bonus 180. He got it. You see the vibes. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe. This is all we do. We have fun all the time. Like probably 30 minutes to an hour from now, we're gonna be going to, like I told y'all before, we're going to bowling alley. I'm gonna vlog there. Today's a vlog on this beautiful Sunday out here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. But yeah, this the vlog, this the vibes, man. This like, this all we do. We don't do nothing else but this. You know, we just be chilling. We just be chilling, just vlog, you know. But yeah, hit that like button, subscribe to your boy World. Come join the Humble Gang. Alright, so we about done skating. I went and got dressed real quick. As you can see, I got on my Nike outfit. Yeah. Your boy got some drip. But yeah, I'm about to go get my boy Steven. He's still out there skateboarding. We probably gonna go, you know, riding around somewhere, stop somewhere before we go to the bowling alley. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'll get back with you. Y'all see we're not skating no more. We on our way to the mall, right?
Yep.
So I go to the mall, check out the mall, see what's in there, vlog that a little bit. And then go to the bowling alley, kick his ass, get a few strikes at that, you know. If they got air hockey in that bitch, oh, it's over now. But yeah, we about to go hit Jacksonville Mall up. I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, so we just got to the mall. And it's dead as fuck in here. Like, it's dead. I already seen it. That's why I said come over here. I just want to see who it was. But yeah, Jacksonville Mall is like, this shit dead. What you trying to do? Alright, we about to go to the bowling alley. We about to get up out of here. Alright, so we just made it to the bowling alley. We about to be doing some strikes. Let me show y'all my bowling skills. You know, your boy's nice. But yeah, stay tuned. Strike. First try. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to me. Come join the Humble Gang. I had 4 strikes in that first game. I had 4. My first two goals, I had like 2 strikes. But yeah, he beat me. The score was 150 to 103. I don't know how. Maybe it was the spares or whatever. But yeah, hit that like button, subscribe to me. Come join the Humble Nation. Keep your mask on. And your boy Ward is out.